This is a fit for a 2011 through 2019 and possibly beyond Jeep Grand Cherokee with factory installed flush metal side rails which have fixed point connections. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black with the integrated feet. This is part number 7602B. It connects to the flush side rails using Fit Kit part number KIT 3142. The crossbars are in a fixed position at 33 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.